Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm finally gonna share with you Julian's nursery. I have had so much fun putting this room together, Michael and I have, and just making it really special and fun, and we love the way that it came out. It's very just calm and peaceful and sweet and not cluttery or anything. I really love it, so I hope you guys enjoy. Give this video a thumbs up if you like nursery tours. It's gender neutral, by the way, so if you're having a boy or a girl, if you are pregnant or expecting a baby, then hopefully you'll enjoy this. If not, maybe it'll just be something fun to watch, okay? So let's go ahead and get started. So here is a quick overview of the room, just so you guys can kind of see how it's all laid out and kind of with the rest of the house. To the left here, this is our bedroom. It connects on this wall. That's his closet. And then this is the bathroom, and this connects through to my makeup room, just so you guys kind of can get an idea there. And here's kind of like a quick little overview before I go into where everything is from. So starting with this wall over here, I wanted the whole room to be very calm and peaceful and just simple. I didn't want clutter. I wanted it to just be very clean feeling. I also wanted a gender neutral nursery. That way we could reuse the items when and if we have another baby, and just depending on whatever his style is, whatever he likes when he's older, maybe he can use this too. So I really wanted to go for pieces that were gonna last for a long time. And I waited, since you know you're pregnant for a long time, you can wait until things go on sale. So for example, this dresser, I think I got it like 20% off. I just waited for a sale. It's from Pottery Barn Kids. And I think it's really beautiful. It's just a nice gray, kind of whitewashed dresser, but it's smooth. And I think the handles kind of keep it boyish. And here we obviously keep all of his clothes, his pajamas, all of his changing stuff. We change him right on here. This changing pad is amazing. It's called the Kikaroo Peanut, and I got it off of Amazon. I love it because I can just wipe it down and keep it really clean. I don't have to worry about washing like a changing pad all the time. It's just really simple and handy. Of course, we have the necessities, the hand sanitizer and the wipe warmer. I mean, it's not like the cutest thing ever, but this thing really comes in handy. It's really nice to have. And then the only other two things I have on the dresser is this lamp, which is from Restoration Hardware Kids. Or no, Restoration Hardware Teen, I think. And then this mirror is actually from Horchow. But I had these two things before I got pregnant. If you guys might remember, I used to film on this wall, and sometimes I would have this in the background. And so I thought it kind of went well with the nursery. I liked the little pops of gold, and I feel like it was pretty gender neutral. I think the lamp's a little bit girly, but I already had it, so I thought why not use something I already had. It's really nice. So we usually had this off during the day, but at night we just leave it on all night. That way when we come in here to change him, if he wakes up or something, it's just like a soft light in here and it doesn't like wake him up. And then on the side of the dresser we have this little hamper. I forget where this is from, either Restoration Hardware Baby or Serena and Lily, something like that, but they had them on like every baby site. I even saw them on Wayfair. Just a nice big hamper, and I liked the color. And then over here we have the diaper pail. This is the Ubi or Ubby diaper pail. It's really nice. I just got it in like the cream color as well. So that's this little section. This is really handy because it's so close to our bedroom. We can just come in here and change him all the time. It's not a big deal to walk up here if we're downstairs. Like, I just really like this setup, and it's nice having space on like either side. Okay, so then moving along, we picked up this rug from Home Goods. I really wanted something neutral as well. I love how this has gray and cream together. I think it's just a really beautiful rug. I think it was like less than $100, so it didn't break the bank, and if anything happens to it, it's no big deal. And then I found this little white thing at Home Goods too. I just thought it kind of layered well. It looked pretty texture-wise, and I just liked the look of it, so there you guys can see kind of up close. This ottoman I think is so cool. I love how they don't like go together, but they go together, you know what I mean? I just think it looks cute and different. It's like a white leather. I think I found this on Wayfair as well. It's really big. I'll link everything that I can if you guys want to get the exact items. But we love to sit in this chair and rock him, feed him, talk to him, play with him. And then either like I can sit there, Michael can sit here, or one of us can put our feet up, whatever. It's just nice to have. The chair is from Pottery Barn Kids, and it's really nice. I love it a lot. You can put your head back, you can relax, it rocks, it's really comfortable. And then the star pillow is actually from Home Goods. That's really nice too because it really supports your back. My back hurt so bad after right after having him, so this was really nice to help support my back. And then this little table, where did I get this? That might be from Pottery Barn too. I remember like when I bought this and the dresser, they were having like a really good deal on like everything, so I tried to get as many things as I could. So I got that from there. We have a little nightlight and some little animals, really cute. This is just nice if you want to put your phone there or your water or whatever when you're sitting there. And then we have these curtains too. They're going to be kind of hard to tell, but they're like a very similar color to the chair. They're like a light blue curtain, and then the little rod is from Target and it looks like wood. It's really pretty, so it kind of matches the dresser. So his crib is from Franklin and Ben. You can get it at Bye Bye Baby, but I actually got it from Wayfair, I believe, and it was a really good price. I thought it looked just like a Restoration Hardware bed, but it was like half the price. It's really nice. He doesn't sleep in here right now, so they just have some blankets and stuff in here, but he will sleep in here eventually. And I love this bed because it can be obviously the infant crib, it can change into a toddler bed, all the way up until a full-size bed. So it will last for like years and years. It's really nice. And then of course, we have the little animals. These are so cute too. So I got the frames from Wayfair, and I purchased the like downloadable files for the prints off of Etsy. I think they're so cute, and I just had them printed through Shutterfly, and then I put them in the frames, and Michael hung them. Originally, I wanted them to go above the bed, but then I just got so nervous, I don't know why, about having something above his bed, so I just put them there, and I think it makes for like a really cute little corner. Okay, and then moving on to this corner, I knew I wanted to have a little bookshelf for his books and his toys and just his little things, and I actually found this one from a company called Land of Nod, and I believe it's like Crate and Barrel's baby store, and I just thought this was so cute. It was also a pretty good price, and I just love I love the sides of it. I just feel like it's kind of whimsical and just cute and different. I love the bright white. Of course, he has his little golf club there. That was a gift from my dad. And then this is actually his little mobile that I would like to hang above the bed, but since he doesn't sleep in there, it's not a big deal for now. Isn't that so cute? So I just kind of have it hanging here. It's from Baby Jives Co. And then on the rest of the bookshelf, I just have some stuffed animals. These are all different things that have kind of been gifts. The A and Z bookends were from Home Goods. He's got a bunch of books, really soft animals. This little M, this clear M, I actually saved from our wedding. It was like some decor that we had. It's really nice, like acrylic. And more stuffed animals in there. More stuffed animals, that's just a bookend that I already had. More animals. These are like teething toys for once he starts teething. I have a bunch of his bibs that are really cute. This one's like my favorite. Hold on. This one, it says Jules. I had them made. They're so cute. And then down there, just more stuffed animals and stuff. So these are from Restoration Hardware Baby. I thought they were really, really cute and sweet. They were a little bit expensive, so I just thought I would get a couple to like display things on. But then in his closet, I just got ones from Target, and they're just as good. So I will quickly show you guys his closet because it's huge and it's so cute. We still have some stuff in here of ours, but his clothes, his shoes, it's actually kind of a mess. But it's like a whole other room in here. Like I said, I just wanted to keep this room really simple and clean and just easy to kind of keep up with and just hang out in here. I really love the way that it came out. I hope you guys like it too. Give this video a thumbs up if you liked it. Subscribe to my channel. Also, don't forget to check out our vlog channel. We vlog everything, and I'd love for you guys to follow along. And I'll talk to you next time. Bye.